Hello guys, welcome to this video. So in this video I'll show you how to fix if your registry editor is not opening. So if you go to run, basically when we open registry editor, we simply go to the run menu and simply type here Regedit, and this will open your registry editor by default. In normal scenario it will should open your registry editor, but if you are seeing some kind of error, you can't access your registry editor, I will give you some steps in this video that you can do. The very first step, you can go to, you can run your command prompt as a administrator and simply run this scan, which is sfc slash scan now. This will simply run a system scan. It will take around about 3-4 minutes to complete, and then if any sort of system errors are there, then it will show you and automatically fix those system errors, and then you just need to restart your machine. And this will majority of the time, 99% of the time, will fix your issue and your registry editor will start. Because this registry editor issue comes because of corrupted system files, so the scan will complete. You just need to wait for the scan to complete and it will automatically fix the issue for you. But for some reason, if the scan doesn't work, there is a second scenario that I showed you. Go to the run menu and simply type this code that I'm giving you. The code is given in the description of the video. So it is basically adding some registry edit. So I paste this. So it is manipulating with the registry settings. So it is making sure that it enables your registry editor. I've given this code in the description of the video. After pasting this code in the run menu, simply click OK. So this will enable your registry editor automatically once you click the OK button. I already have my registry, so I will not click OK. So essentially what this code is doing, it is enabling your access to registry inside Windows. So this will 100% of the time will fix your issue, but for some reason if this issue is also not working, then you can actually perform a system restore, which go to run menu and right inside the run menu simply run rstrui.exe. So this is a command here, rstrui.exe. Simply click OK. So this will open your system restore window and click on next. So then basically if you already have some system restore available, simply select that and click on next, and then it will actually confirm your restore point and your computer will be restored to the state that it was before the event. That it's, so it will 100% of the time will fix your issue because it will revert back to your computer to the previous state where it was working perfectly fine. So it will, you just need to click the finish button and this will fix your problem. So these are some of the steps that you can take to fix your registry error if you can't access your registry editor. And please hit that like button, subscribe the channel, and also check out my website freemediatools.com, which contains thousands of tools.